I literally have nothing to say except that I made this. This came from my hands. I made this.
You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So for today's oil, you're going to be needing 2 onions. If you do have the big onions, you can use 1 of the big onions. Then I'm using a handful of ginger, some extra virgin olive oil. So this is the extra virgin olive oil that I'm using. I'm going to be using 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Then I'm going to be using a container, a strainer, a funnel, and also a bottle to store the oil in. So let's just get started with the video. So this is the oil right here. It's not very overpowering. It smells really good. So I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm gonna just wet my hair, damp my hair up, and let you guys see how to apply the oil. So I'm back. My hair is damp. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to apply it. So you wanna apply it to the roots of your hair, and then you just wanna work your way down. So and then put it on the problem areas. So you just want to apply to the roots, and then you just bring it all the way down to the tips of your hair. You just continue that process throughout.